Hello flamingos, it's Friday, which can only mean one thing, it's Flamingo Friday. And this Friday is brought to you by Cold Weather Gear, my thermal base layer, and also what's in my mailbox this week, which was a beautiful pearlescent envelope from Jane. So I'm going to open it up and we'll find out what's inside. It's a little bit lumpy. So let's have a look. The envelope itself obviously caught my eye because it's beautiful and shiny, and yeah, it's a lovely thing. So inside we have a piece of card and a little note. So on the piece of card, this is great actually. On the piece of card we have Happy New Year, have a radiant start to 2019. Drink this while wearing this, which is just fantastic. It made me smile. It's just it's a really lovely little thing to send through, because it gives me something to do. It's a little treat, and it also demonstrates Jane's products. It demonstrates what she's selling and what she does. So let's have a quick look at the letter. It's a really short, very quick. Anyone can knock this out in 20 minutes or so, and it's just a letter outlining a few of the things that she's got available. She's got some eye makeup remover available. She's got some little treats there, new packs of Dr. Hauschka bits and pieces, and some classes as well, some courses. And then the call to action is text the Pamper line, which always makes me smile, or drop her an email. This is super. I mean, you know what? I could go into great detail about sales letters and techniques and copywriting rules and all the rest of it here, but why bother? Because most business owners are never going to send their clients and potential clients something through the post. Jane did, and I guarantee she will get sales from it. I will be absolutely astonished if she doesn't make any sales from it. So top tip, it is much easier to sell to existing clients than it is to find new ones, but you've got to send people stuff. You've got to keep people in your mind. You've got to keep you in people's minds, should I say. So if someone has already bought something and they are happy with it, they will absolutely buy from you again if you have something that they want. So what can you do? What can you pop in the post? Just a few minutes, just to print out a little card, stick a couple of little samples on it, or, do something else. If you don't sell products, if that's not the sort of thing you do, you can come up with something else. And then pop a little letter in offering a few things. So it's tax time at the moment. Tax time is coming up. So if you need to make some money really quickly, then you can borrow my brain for 30 minutes and I will tell you exactly what you can do to raise some fast cash. It's just £250 plus VAT, and I guarantee you that if you do what I suggest that you do during the call, you will not just make back that money, the investment, you will also make enough to cover your tax bills. If you can tell me what your problems are, and I will come up with an idea for you and tell you exactly how to implement it really quickly, so that you can send out something that will bring you some fast sales in. If you would like to do that, you can go to vickyfraser.com/borrow my brain, or go below to the comments to the description of this video and book your spot. Go to the URL there and book your spot. You'll get an email confirmation and then an invitation to book your call through Calendly, which is my booking system. So send people stuff, pop something in the post, spend half an hour putting together a really quick offer, something that people will find interesting, send it to them and give them an offer that they will want, that they will need, and that they can easily respond to. I'll be back same time next week, and you can find out what else is in my mailbox. Have a great weekend.